My name is Julie Boyd and this is an eTextiles tutorial for Kitronic. This tutorial shows you how to add a switch into the circuit to enable you to switch it on and off. Here we have two circuits without a switch, which means the only way of switching the circuit off is to remove the battery. There are a range of different switches that can be used. So this is a slider switch and it has a little on and off switch that slides backwards and forwards, and if we just use this one's green, but it's exactly the same, it's just got a different coloured board, and it switches the LED on here. This one is called a push switch. Again, the different colours don't matter, it's just got a white board and a green board. This one works when you push the centre of the switch, the LED lights up. This one is called a tilt switch, so when this switch is tilted, the LED lights up. So we can see it lighting up as the fabric is moved. This last one is a magnet switch, so we have a small magnet that gets attached to the actual switch, and if I just put that magnet onto there, we can see the LED lights up. So if we take it off, so this magnet would go in another part of the product, away from the switch, so that when the two joined, they light up. Just notice that these switches don't have any marking on the actual board, so there is no positive and negative marking on any of the switches. The switches can go any way round, so there's no sort of upside down or left and right on them, and they are simply inserted into the positive side of the circuit. So when you stitch the circuit, the negative side is stitched as normal, and on the positive side we stitch from the LED, from the positive side of the LED, with our oversewing and running stitches, to the any side of the switch, and oversew that into position. Cut the thread, that's really quite important. You don't carry on your thread across. You cut the thread, start with a new piece of thread, oversew and running stitch as before, and attaching it to the positive side of the cell holder. So basically what the switch is doing is cutting off the power from the battery to the LED, and as soon as we switch that switch across, it allows the connection to join, and therefore the LED lights up.